Assalamu alaikum. I'm going to explain to you the muscles of facial expression. So there are four muscles. You have occipitofrontalis. Okay, this is the frontal belly, and you can see that this is the occipital belly. Okay, it's called as aponeurosis. So this muscle is occipitofrontalis. Occipitofrontalis. This muscle, which is around the eye, okay, it's called orbicularis oculi. Orbicularis oculi. Okay. Then this muscle, which is around the mouth, is called orbicularis oris. Orbicularis oris. Okay, helps in closing the mouth. Then you can see a muscle over here. This muscle. Okay, this is called buccinator. This is called buccinator. So there are four muscles for facial expression: occipitofrontalis, orbicularis oculi, closing the eye, and this is orbicularis oris, which closes the mouth, and this is buccinator, okay, which helps in blowing or whistling. Now there are four other muscles which are called muscles of mastication. Muscles of mastication. Okay. So the first muscle you can study here. This is masseter muscle. Masseter muscle. Okay. So this is actually the bone mandible. This is mandible. So this muscle is just above the mandible. Okay, or over the mandible. So this is masseter. Okay. Now on the other side, if you notice what happened to the mandible is cut. Mandible is cut. So it's deep. Okay. So the masseter muscle is not seen over here. Okay, the second muscle related to muscles of mastication is temporalis. Temporalis. Okay, so now here also occipitofrontalis, and they have removed it, and you're seeing a little deep muscle. This is called temporalis, just like the name of the bone, temporal bone. Okay, now the third muscle, it's pterygoid. We have pterygoid. We have two pterygoids, medial pterygoid and lateral pterygoid. So now the masseter is cut. Can you see some fibers going like this straight? Okay. So this is medial pterygoid. This will be medial pterygoid. Okay. And then there is some fibers going straight like this. This is called lateral pterygoid. This is lateral pterygoid. Okay. So it's a deep muscle. Okay. So there are totally four muscles of mastication. They help you in opening the mouth and closing the mouth. Okay. First one we saw on this side. That is the masseter over here. Masseter. Okay. Then we saw temporalis. Okay. If you cut the mandible deep, in the same direction will be the medial pterygoid. This is the medial pterygoid, and this is the lateral pterygoid. Okay.